1987 USA 5-cent coin. Today, we're diving into a coin that you've probably seen hundreds of times in your change, but you might not know its secrets. We're talking about the 1987 Jefferson nickel. Is this just 5 cents, or is it a hidden treasure? Stick around, because the answer might surprise you. So, the 1987 nickel. On the surface, it seems like a very common coin. It's part of the long-running Jefferson nickel series, which has been in circulation since 1938. The design is familiar. On the front, or obverse, we have the iconic profile of Thomas Jefferson, the third U.S. president. This design was created by artist Felix Schlag. And on the back, or reverse, we see Jefferson's famous home, Monticello. But what makes the 1987 coin special? Well, it's all about the details. For any coin, the first thing a collector looks for is the mint mark. This tells you which U.S. mint facility produced the coin. In 1987, the U.S. Mint produced nickels at 3 different locations at Philadelphia. P. These coins have a small P mint mark, Denver. D. These coins have a D mint mark, San Francisco. S. These coins have an S mint mark. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The mintages, or the number of coins produced at each location, are incredibly high for the Philadelphia and Denver coins. The Philadelphia Mint struck over 371 million 1987 P nickels, the Denver Mint struck over 410 million 1987 D nickels. With these massive numbers, it's no surprise that a regular 1987 P or 1987 D nickel in circulated condition is only worth face value, 5 cents. But don't go tossing them in the coin jar just yet. The story doesn't end there. The key to finding value in the 1987 nickel lies with the San Francisco Mint. Unlike the P and D mints, the San Francisco Mint didn't produce any nickels for general circulation in 1987. Instead, they only produced proof coins for collectors. Proof coins are special strikes made for numismatic purposes. They are struck multiple times on specially prepared planchets and dies, which gives them a stunning, mirror-like finish and sharp, frosted details. The mintage for the 1987 S-proof nickel was much lower, around 4.2 million. While 4.2 million is still a lot of coins, the fact that they were only sold to collectors in proof sets makes them more valuable than their P and D counterparts. A 1987 S-proof nickel in perfect condition can be worth a few dollars, and sometimes more, depending on its grade and cameo appearance. But for the truly dedicated collectors, the real hunt is for the elusive full steps designation. This refers to a perfect strike on the reverse of the coin, where all 5 steps leading up to Monticello are clearly visible and well-defined. Finding a 1987 P or 1987 D nickel with full steps is a challenge. The dies used in 1987 were strengthened to produce better strikes, but still, a perfect full steps coin is rare. A 1987 P or 1987 D with this feature can be worth significantly more than a standard coin, with some graded examples selling for over $100. Beyond the mint marks and full steps, there are also potential error coins to look out for. While major errors are rare, some collectors have found minor doubled die errors on both the obverse and reverse of 1987 nickels. These can add a small premium, but are generally not as valuable as the full steps varieties. So, to summarize 1987 P and 1987 D nickels, these are common and generally only worth face value, but look for pristine, uncirculated examples or, even better, those with full steps. 1987 S nickels, these were only produced as proof coins. They are more valuable and a must-have for any serious Jefferson nickel collection. So next time you get a nickel in your change, take a moment to check the date. You never know, that 1987 nickel might just be a hidden treasure waiting to be found. Thanks for watching.